Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ain Sofia Zoika binti Ar-Rahman and I will be explaining a little bit about biochemicals oxygen demand test. BOD is the most important use assessment to determine the water quality. It is a measurement unit stand for the needed amount of oxygen by aerobatic biological organism to break down to organic matter. Biochemical process of BOD removal can be described with the equation organic matter plus oxygen equal to carbon dioxide plus water. As higher the degree of water pollution, as more organic matter is present, as more oxygen needed for the oxidation. The most common laboratory test method is called BOD5 test. In the BOD5 test, the water samples is filled into the BOD bottle and the oxygen consumed for the 5-day of incubation is measured. Based on the experiment conducted, these are the few factors that affect the accuracy of the value obtained, and this is how a way to minimize it. As a conclusion, the objectives of the experiment has been achieved. Based on the data analysis, the value of BOD in the water sample is 3.76 mg per liter, and it can be categorized as moderate polluted river.
Total suspended solid can be determined as total particles suspended in water that cannot passing through the filter. The suspended solid particles may present from sanitary wastewater, soil erosion from agriculture, and also construction sites. If the level of TSS increases, water body will lose its ability to support a diversity of aquatic life. Suspended solids absorb heat from sunlight, which will increases water temperature and decreases level of dissolved oxygen. Photosynthesis also decreases since less light penetrates the water.
Hi everyone, my name is Kamali. Today I'm going to conduct one experiment which is total suspended solid. Here is the apparatus, this one is the distilled water and this one is the sample one. Let us do the experiment right now.
First, wet the glass fiber filter. Second, place the glass fiber filter on the vacuum apparatus and wet it with distilled water and turn on the pump. Third, shake the sample 1 and pour the sample with a volume to the measuring cylinder. Pour the sample to the filtration apparatus. Then keep running the pump and wait until the residual distilled water out of the funnel. Next, turn off the pump and place the glass fiber filter in an oven. Then transfer the glass fiber filter to the desiccator and cool it to room temperature. After that, wet the filter after it cools down.
Assalamualaikum, I'm Alif Imran bin Rajab from Group 18. Today I will explain about experiment E1-3 which is alkalinity. I will cover for the introduction, objective, apparatus, calculation result, discussion and conclusion. Next is the introduction for the experiment. These are the points for the introduction. The main objective of this experiment are to gain knowledge of the method used to measure pH and alkalinity, next to able to calibrate pH meter, and lastly to determine the alkalinity of water sample and express it in terms of ppm of CaCO3. These are the list of apparatus and reagents are used for the experiment. Calculation and result. The volume of HCl at pH 4.5 is 2.275 ml. Alkalinity of water sample to pH 8.3 ppm of CaCO3 are 22.75 ppm. These are the sample calculation for the experiment. For discussion, these are the list of errors which can affect the data. In conclusion, in order to get pH meter of 4.5, 2.275 ml of HCl